Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pin messages in your Facebook Messenger application. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already installed Messenger in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version? If you have not, do install it and update. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account and now I want to try pinning a message. So let's begin. Right now, I'm simply gonna go to a chat with my friend right here. Let's say these are some important messages and I want to pin them. So let's begin. Right here at the very top, let's say this is an important message to me. I'm simply gonna click and hold it. Now something like this will open up. On the pop-up that just opened at the bottom, that's something of an icon called as pin. Just click on it and as you can see, the message has been pinned. You can pin multiple messages as well. Let's say I want to pin this emoji as well, the same process. Now the question is how to see the pinned messages. Right here at the very top, there are these three icons, namely the audio call, video call and info button. Just click on the third button right here. It's gonna open up to your page like this. Now simply scroll down and under the more actions tab, you can see something like your pinned messages. Just click on it. From here, you can see all the messages that you and your friend have pinned. Just click on any message you want to see and there you go. Well guys, this is it. This is how you pin messages on Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.